What is going on, guys? It is time for a vlog. We are heading to a Nightclub inside the Mandalay Bay to open for, what's his name?
No, you got this one.
Anuel AA.
Hey, don't throw me under the bus just because you can't say it.
It's gonna be a wild night. Let's see how we do.
Anuel AA, double A.
Double.
I'm sticking to here for now on.
Alright, but before we head to the Mandalay Bay, we gotta stop here because I forgot my wallet last night. And we gotta do a little pregame action too.
That's getting lit.
DJ Dave's Hot 97.5.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's do this. We got a party to attend to, man. We made it out here, Mandalay Bay. Let's do this. Well, we got about 15 minutes before we have to head in and set up, so here we are doing a little more pregame action. Yeah, it's gonna be a long night. Here we are.
Yes, sir.
How do you say this? The calm before the storm. We're out here.
Right.
DJ Gilbar, we out here at Nightclub. This is what it looks like.
There's absolutely no one here.
Before we open. It's gonna be a wild night tonight.
Oh yeah.
Alright, looks like we're playing with CJ tonight. Not my favorite, but we deal with it.
What can you do?
Yeah.
All right, this is your USB. This is yours?
No.
No. Okay, so it's the backup stuff. Okay.
We got the groupie cameraman right here. Alright, so we just got done with sound check.
We're
It's
done,
about
ready to go. Have some drinks, relax.
Yes, we got half an hour before doors open.
Yes, sir.
The homie just dropped a track for us that I'm gonna be the first to play tonight. We're gonna see how hard it hits. Simon Says, Francisco. We're not even open yet, and we got this whole line going on right here. We're gonna go grab some drinks. It is the calm before the storm.
Oh, it's getting there. Oh, this is the line right here.
There's more of the line right here. Here's my opening DJ, DJ Exile.
What up, Assassin's Creed?
my opening DJ. I'm actually opening for this guy, but. So I just finished off tonight. We did good. Gil Barba, how was it?
Hey, everything's fucking amazing. This mother